Sometimes I really not understand the police them down at Jamaica, you know. Look on this big man, the man just a whack him and a slap up the man. No man, me not think say this right at all. This is too much. This is way out of the line. This could have be them father to rotted. Suppose the man have a bad man son now. Eh? Look how them a haul and pull the man. And what kind of life this man? Sometimes the police then use them power and destroy the citizens them, you know. Me not like that. This man, you could have easily talk to this man with respect and make him go in, because the man I talk to now, no clearly look like so you just want drag him and beat him. Look, me not like this man. This is very, very disrespectful. Eh? They could have deal with the big man a little bit better than that. Because I know say this a big man and I fight them. And where them a carry me for, would I even really not call for to rotted. And you can see the people them in the background that tell them say this not right. Why? Me I tell you say they're supposed to have a better way of dealing with people. This is so unfair. Me don't know the full 100, but it don't look right to me at all. Because the way how the man whack the man, it don't look good, no?
What do you mean? Hey, come on. Stop their life. Stop their life. Stop their life.
And I fat ride going up. What up, man? You fucked up.
No, you must say that. I don't know what kind of
We catch it. You might have catch it.
Not even a first gas, me the driver.
What me do? They have blocked the road, they just not block the road. They have blocked the road. They have blocked the road. Hello, boy, what do you do? That's it, they have blocked the road. Another one. You're a liar. 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 Yeah, number 10 told me no. Never did tell us. Told me. Stop resisting. Talk me again. Talk me again. Talk me again. Talk me again. It's a talk me again. Driver, come fly and exit the vehicle. Comply with the police and exit the vehicle. Driver, exit the vehicle. 455. Tell us to call them. If you don't disappear, clear the way. I talk to the business. Exactly. No. Watch out. Can't be mad at me. If I take up a tool out of my car, I told them.
What are you doing, Master, to your side?
I treat me just don't shut down, shut me around. Afternoon, sir. Just wait, me talk to you.
You're not even up to deal with people. Why me I tell you? I'm gonna shut up my big dirty stinking mouth.
Listen.
Police, they are under arrest.
With what?
Never have handcuff. You want to arrest people and have no handcuff.
Under arrest. House prosecuting you can self-court ticket. You drove away.
Sir, the pedestrian cannot pass. The pedestrian cannot pass. I'm come out on the road and come run yourself.
Driver, just comply with the police.
Run the camera. They're telling them to turn.
Yeah, driver. Don't. Hey, under arrest, sir. Just comply.
Simple telling them to turn yourself. You're not coming to come speak for me.
Don't make the situation.
I'm just like a people.
Yeah, but when you're under arrest, you have to just comply. We will fix everything. Sir, what's the right to do?
Come on, call. 455. Sir, I need to add a copy because I see Mama Patty, you know. Sir, I'm going to where me stop. Tell him where me stop. Because anybody that feel upset, I talk to my face, I know. I don't know why I'm talking to my face.
You push me up,
Jesus Christ, you push me away. You're a liar. You're a liar. You're a liar. You have a body, but you want to pick up and nothing people. You're a big man, I'm going to be a father, I know. I'm a wonder policeman. Why is a civilian? You have family, my daughter can't be now. I'm not talking to her now. One day. If I don't pick up and school her now, because they can't see her. I'm not explaining to them that she ain't dead, she don't care about that. She don't care about that. She never called back. Devon. Tell the lawyer to come out of police, come out of African police station.
You need to come out to come for the vehicle, eh?
Oh, we forget to come for the vehicle.
Driver, just comply. Please. Put your hand behind you.
What is it?
Put your hand behind you.
Devon,
Come on for the phone. Driver, come on for the phone.
So you have to be humble now, you never have to be a solo while now.
Come on.
No, him be aggressive towards an officer. Him be aggressive towards me. Why will he ask me why he
You know you have a right?
They have a right, but him abuse me the same way. He just supposed to let the boss. Now big man could have been what I'm father I know. No, you don't do the law. You're not serving and protect. You're not serving and protecting. You're not serving and protecting.
Alright, driver, calm down. Alright, driver, nobody escalate it no more.
There's no servant that can do anything about body or what they do about people. That is one of the main things. Oh, let me move it. Look at that stupidness. Look at that stupidness. The person who owns the car is that word.
You're too arrogant, you know.
After the box, then we get the most arrogant and irate.
Alright.
Don't listen to none of them, you know.
Alright.
Jamaica now, man, please.